Hi guys, my name is Aboobacar and welcome to another video. Today we are making a delicious orange chicken. It will be crispy from the outside and juicy on the inside. You will taste the sweet and sour from the orange chicken with the perfect acidity. With a lot of research and experiment, I came up with a perfect recipe. Trust me, this orange chicken is better than any takeaway. For this delicious orange chicken, you will need these ingredients. I'm using boneless chicken thigh. You can use any chicken pieces that you want. You will find a list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description below. We start by adding salt into the chicken, add pepper, add half orange juice. Use the juice from a real orange and not orange juice from shops. The liquid will help tenderize the chicken and make it more succulent. Mix all the ingredients. Grab a bowl and add 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 170 grams of corn starch. Mix them well. On another bowl, magically crack 2 eggs if you can. If you cannot, that is okay, you can crack it as a normal human being. Mix them well. Prepare your workstation while your boss is checking you on the background. Grab some pieces of chicken and toss it in the flour and cornstarch mixture. Remove the excess and put into the eggs mixture. Cover the chicken well with the liquid and then put back again into the flour mixture and coat well every chicken piece. Repeat the process with the remaining pieces of chicken, and don't forget to make a mess. When you make a mess, it looks like you are working a lot, guys. That is a really important step. The way I made it, I realized I needed 3 more eggs as I have a lot of chicken. So I quickly repeated the eggs mixture process and carry on with the remaining chicken. If you have 1 kilo or more of chicken, my advice is to start with 5 eggs from the beginning. After your chicken is ready, grab a pan and add oil. Make sure you have enough oil to cover the chicken. Leave the heat in medium-high. The oil should be hot before you add the chicken pieces. When the oil is hot, you can start adding the chicken pieces. You will notice that oil is ready when you add the chicken and you see bubbles. Add the chicken in batches. Mix them so that they can evenly fry and make sure that the chicken pieces do not stick with each other. When the chicken becomes lightly brown, you can take them out. Put the fried chicken into a bowl with a paper kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil. After you finish removing the chicken pieces, make sure there is no crumbs. If you find crumbs, just remove it and the oil will be ready for the next chicken batch. Repeat the process with the remaining chicken. For the sauce, grab a pan and add approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Spread the oil evenly in the pan. Add chopped garlic, chopped ginger. Mix these 2 ingredients. Add 100 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of white sugar. Mix them well. Now add the remaining half orange juice. Spread evenly over the pan. Combine the ingredients. Add 200 milliliters of white vinegar. Mix until boiling. Add 100 milliliters of soy sauce. Reduce the heat to medium and leave it for approximately 8 minutes or when the sauce has reduced around 25%. Next step is to mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Add it to the sauce and mix it for around 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, it is optional. Mix it. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Add pepper to taste. Mix well all the ingredients. When the sauce becomes thicker, you can turn it off and your sauce is ready. Add the chicken into the saucepan. Mix well the chicken into the sauce. The chicken will absorb the sauce easily because the sauce is still hot. After the chicken and the sauce are mixed, you can transfer them into a bowl. The sauce left in the pan is for the remaining chicken batch. Wow, look how beautiful this orange chicken looks. If you could even smell this beautiful aroma, look at the colors. You can see the crispiness of the chicken, the juices. You can top it up with the delicious chili oil. I will leave the chili oil recipe on the screen. This delicious orange chicken goes really well with rice. Now it's time to taste our delicious dish. You can see it is crunchy. Wow guys, it's crunchy, it's juicy inside. You can feel the sweet, you can feel the spiciness, the garlicness, the gingerness, everything guys, so delicious. Very nice dish. I'm very proud of myself and I believe you guys can do that as well. You have to try to do this at home. It will be amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell and smash the like button. I will see you on the next video.